Well, hello, William Williams, Philippines, and it is Thursday, September 11th, 2025, and it is 5 till 9 p.m. Thursday night. Hey, got out and about, did a bit of confirming. I know two more bus routes and how to get back and forth in between. Yay! I can actually get over to my visa place without having to do a Maxim motorcycle and pay an $1. So yay! I can still use the motorcycle if I need to, but yeah, the Maxims are a little more expensive than riding on the Jeepney. Jeepneys just take a little longer time, so it's not like I've got, oh yeah, I have to be there this second. So yeah, uh, ended up getting 6 miles in today, just a hair over, and boy, it's okay though. Feet are sore though. Anyway, got money from selling a couple of guns. 1,250. That's there. Trying to get that moved over. Yeah. Oh. Talked with some people who are thinking about going off and doing some sort of a resort this weekend. I don't know. It is what it is. We'll figure it out. And I tried some different lumpia that had sweet potato in it. Not knowing. Oh. Not one of your normal ingredients, but I liked it. Huh? It is what it is. Ah, got maintenance coming over in the morning, or coming here in the morning. Yay. And I'm going to try to get sleep because, yeah, peanut husk. Dang peanuts. I love them. But they, yeah, I probably shouldn't eat as many as I do. Yeah. But yes, the spicy peanuts. They were very warm when I got them. Warm enough, yeah. But got them home, let them cool down. Ate them after I got done with what was left of my dinner. A very good meal. I don't know about y'all, but all this walking's killing my feet. And this whole week has been a good number of miles. So, yay. I'm happy with it. I don't know where I want to go tomorrow. I have nothing really planned for after maintenance and housekeeping. So, yeah, let them come in here and do the sheets and such. I can tell you, I don't like having to clean the bathroom. I do, but I don't super deep clean it like they do. And that's a good thing. Uh, ooh, yeah. Sorry. I am literally to the point of just passing out. It's a long day, been busy, and got to have great conversation with a lot of people today. Folks, retire at 62. You're not guaranteed a day. So as soon as you can, retire. Retire at 62. Because guess what? You're not guaranteed tomorrow. And if you didn't live today because you were waiting for make more money and you die today, did you make any more money? No. So you wasted your time. You didn't make extra money and you didn't enjoy today. I can tell you I'm tired because I enjoyed today. The worst part of being over here is that, yeah, my feet hurt. I probably should get better shoes. Because I can tell you, honestly, the roads over here, the sidewalks aren't smooth. That's okay. Just got to pay attention. My biggest gripe about the Philippines isn't the roads or the sidewalks being rough. It's trash. Because it's such a beautiful place. And then you see a pop bottle somewhere or a plastic bag stuck. But it is getting better from what I understand. Folks are trying to change things and make things better. You don't win the world in one day. You do it one step at a time. And that's what you do with anything is just one piece at a time and keep going. So if you're plugging away, chugging away, trying to get to time when you can retire, seriously, do it as soon as you can. You don't have to be filthy rich to take and retire. I mean, I know I'm not rich by any means, but I'm over here in the Philippines. I'm going to enjoy my time here and try to get as much life into my life as I can. I'm going out and have fun, folks. I don't know about you, but I seriously don't want to work myself to death. And if I'm going to be working, I want it to be me walking down the road to the beach or to wherever to have fun. Yeah. All I did was ride the bus today and eat. I ate way too much. But then again, I walked a lot. That the food that went in got burned up. And even with what I ate later this evening, it's just going to go to replace what was burned up today. Because, yeah, I can honestly tell you, coming up the stairs the last time, I was wondering if I was going to make it. My feet were hurting. They still are. Uh, Probably shouldn't have been jumping off the curb so much this morning. I had a bit of bounce in my step, and yeah, Guess what? Yes, my feet are hurting. I might have had something to do with that. I probably need better shoes. And yeah, I'm starting to get brown into my legs, a little bit of brown into my arms. Slowly. Uh, where I really need it, though. Yeah, I need to get out on the beach and really lay out and toast myself. All I know is I want to live here. And I'm not stressing over things like, all the time. About the biggest thing I can honestly say for stress was moving money in and out and around to this, that, and the other. Money I got for my gun or guns. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to call it. I'm tired. And I really do need to get up and tend to a few things in the morning while the maintenance man's getting a couple things taken care of. And that's a good thing. So I'm going to call it. Y'all have a wonderful night, wonderful day, wonderful morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Get out and live life. If you're old enough to retire, retire. Uh, and if you can't do it on the hamster wheel there in the U.S., find somewhere else where you can. Seriously. If I can do it, you can too. uh, it's doable, folks. Retire. Go someplace else. Get off the hamster wheel. It's not worth dying at your job because you wanted to make a few more dollars. Come on, enjoy life. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. Go make more friends and enjoy more food. I'm Fish, and guess what? Fish is out. Later blessings. Bye bye.